Hey guys, welcome to Monday. It is April the 13th. I have your answers up here. Here's a small boy who lives at my house checking in. You're lucky I don't know what I was doing. Number 4 and number 6 are the same, so you only had to do actually 6 on here. But let's go through it. 32 cups is 16 pints. 1 gallon, 128 ounces. 16 cups is 1 gallon. 54 quarts, 108 pints. 424 pints is 53 gallons. That one took me a little while. I thought that was the hardest. 54 quarts equals 108 pints, and 10 gallons equals 40 quarts. Next thing up, we're going to practice a couple of word problems related to this and how we'll work through them. We're going to do 2 practice ones, and then I'm going to leave you guys with a couple to work on your own, and then head to IXL to do a couple more practice. Let me pause while I get this reset. All right. Welcome back. Take a peek. We can see a small child. Hello. Hello. Joe has 3 5-gallon buckets. How many fluid ounces of water does he have? All right, Maya, let me see this. Here's our 5-gallon bucket. He's got 3 of them. How many fluid ounces of water does he have? Well, let's go through and see if we can't figure that out together. You guys figured out last time with our previous assignment, right up here, 8 fluid ounces equals a cup. And we know there's 16 cups in a gallon. 16 cups in a gallon. So I'll add that up there. 16C equals 1 GAL. Well, that's going to make a huge difference for me to know that. So I'm going to get it into cups. All right. So 5-gallon bucket. Fluid ounces of water does Joe have? Well, I know that he has 16 cups per gallon. This is 5 gallons. So let's do 16 times 5. That gives me 80. So in one bucket, one 5-gallon bucket, Joe has 80 cups of water. Whew. But let's do the big math now. Because 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So 80 cups, whew, let's do 80 times 80. And we don't even need to make this difficult. Let's do 8 times 8 and add a 0. Did you get it? Did you get 640? All right. So in one of these 5-gallon buckets is 640 ounces of water. So think back to that. Your Coke or Pepsi can is 12 ounces. This is 640. But we're still not done with our problem, are we? Because Joe does not have 1 of these. Joe has 3 of these buckets. So let's do, how can we figure it out? Well, easy peasy. 640, we know there's 640 ounces in one 5-gallon bucket. We've got 3. So let's do 640 times 3, shall we? 0, 2, carry the 1. We're left with 1,920 fluid ounces in 3 of these 5-gallon Home Depot buckets. And those are great. They're useful for so many things. All right, I'm going to pause. I'm going to write one more problem up here for you guys to work on, and I'm going to send you on to IXL to do a couple of word problems over there. And those may include yards, feet, so you're going to have to think back to what we've done the past few days in math. All right, I'm going to leave you with this word problem. You may also see that your 6th secret letter is the letter E, unless this monster comes and destroys it. All right, let's read through this one together. Ready? Shaq has 40 pints of lemonade. He gives away 10 pints. How many quarts does he have left? So you're going to need to transition from pints to quarts. Something to pay attention to, but we want our answer in quarts. See what you can come up with. Your secret letter, again, is the letter E. And I will see you tomorrow.